To make iced coffee, first brew a pot of hot coffee like you normally would. Then, wait for the coffee to cool to room temperature, or chill it in the fridge. Fill a glass with ice cubes, then pour the coffee over them until the glass is nearly full. Add cream, milk, sugar, or any other sweeteners you'd like, and you're done. If you're in a rush, brew coffee that's twice as strong, then pour it over ice right away. Even though the ice will melt and dilute the coffee, your drink will still taste strong. You can even freeze coffee ice cubes to add to your iced coffee so it doesn't get watered down as it melts. For an even faster treat, use instant coffee. First, add 2 tablespoons, 24 grams, of instant coffee and 5 tablespoons, 75 milliliters, of creamer to a glass. Stir well, then fill the glass with cold water. Continue stirring until the instant coffee dissolves. Finally, add some ice and enjoy.